The last family member's here. Which one is it? Hi, cows. We have the last of the family member here. It's what do you think?
Daddy's being silly.
I am actually really super excited to get this.
What is that? I don't even know what it is.
I held out on getting this one for so long.
Uh-oh.
What's that mean?
You know what Cyanne's gonna say.
She already said she was gonna kill me. Can't die twice, right, Callie?
Yeah.
Let's do revive it.
What's that,
You even
guys?
hit it. Can you even see what it is?
Yeah. You guys can see it. Right? Can you guys see it? Yeah, you can. Okay, good.
Look at that. So we have the SCX24 Ford Bronco 1/24th scale. Ooh. I've been holding out to get this.
Open up the bad boy.
We're into it. Okay, look at that red. It's such a nice red.
Whoa. That's like a rose
Okay,
red.
you want to help me open up this?
That's Jaden.
Here, you want to open up to get the thing out of the bottom of the box? It has all the controllers and everything. You can pull it right out.
Yeah, go ahead, guys. I'm still filming.
I'll cut this. This is dangerous, right, bud?
I have the bubble wrap, guys.
Yes, you can definitely have the bubble wrap out there.
I don't want any.
We got the plug. I got that.
That's
You got the plug in the charger?
That's Daddy NFT thing on his computer.
Oh, it comes with
Okay.
batteries today.
What do we got here? Look at it. It has a hard body shell. Yeah, it always comes with the batteries. That's one beautiful thing about Axial. Especially since it takes 4 batteries.
Now I
for the
can go on
controller.
my knees now because we're doing it like this.
Perfect.
It's
Now
a
you'll figure
good
out how to take the
angle.
hard body off here.
Hi guys.
Is it just on Velcro?
I think
It is
so.
just on Velcro.
Oh well.
I didn't want to rip it open. Ooh. So we have the old electronics. I like this electronics actually, to tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Got that.
It has nice crawl usually out of the box.
Mhm.
All right, here I'll actually plug it in. You want to get those batteries out, little Jay?
Yeah.
I'll pull the one battery cable out here.
It might look like I'm using a GoPro. Beep beep boop 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 beep 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 boop.
Alrighty, here we go, Cal.
Boo-ba-doo. Boo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Spider Dave, you better behave.
Dad, will you trust me to cut this open, Dad?
No, do not touch that.
Spider behave, Mr. Dave. Spider behave, you better behave.
All right, we have it all together here. We got the batteries.
Spider Dave, you better
Patty will
behave.
do it. This exacto blade's a brand new blade, and it will slice you wide open.
Yeah, we don't want that to happen. That's like a
It'll be
doctor.
instant stitches.
I don't want you to get split. I want you to what is he?
Sakey, sakey, the third quick, sakey, sakey.
Put batteries in there.
I got the instructions.
All right, you want to clean up the table a little bit there, bud? Put the garbage in the pile there, and then the
Hi
box
guys.
go with the box there. I am going to be getting rid of all my crawler boxes. I've been holding on to them. I didn't want to get
Can
rid of
you
them.
give that to me?
But I want the space.
I
We need space for more crawlers.
I want
Oh,
them
no.
on my desk. I want some on my desk.
Okay, well, we'll think about that, okay, Jaden?
Is this important or anything, Dad?
No. Oh, that's the warranty card.
I want to take this.
Oh, it's the sticker. Yes, I want it. Here we go. So we have the LED lights. Look how blue they are.
Guys, it's actually